Hey guys, this will be my first box break. I keep seeing a lot of people do it, and I guess I want to get into this. I've been opening cards for a while, and just thought I would start to make one. There's nothing special. There's no card shop anywhere close to me, so if I don't order it, there's no way of getting anything cool. So I'm just gonna do some Walmart blaster boxes. I already opened this. It was from SP Game Used. Nothing too exciting. Double jersey card of Yao Ming and Banyani. Not too bad, I guess. It's like 20 bucks. But open the Donruss first. I've been opening a lot of Allen and Ginter, and I'm trying to finish the set. So if anybody has any extras to add to that, I'll definitely take them. Thought I had everything I need, but I guess I forgot a knife. Okay, I got it. But yeah, there was a card shop here. It was here for like 30 years, and now it's gone. So, I have nowhere to buy wax. There's 5 packs in here. There's supposed to be a 1 hit per blaster box. Not a big football guy, but this stuff looks good. Angelo Williams, Vincent Jackson, number 299. I think that's the hit. I'll save that for last. Yeah, that's the hit. Die cut of Clinton Portis, number to 74. Pretty sweet. Jay Cutler, favorite player. Gonna start a PC for him. His stuff's just kind of high. Rookie, Wooten for the Bears, or Wooten, I guess. Number to 999. Stuff's pretty. I really like this stuff. Two Tall Jones and DeMarcus Ware, number 2/999. Shit. Sorry, I keep going off camera. It's backwards the way I'm looking at it. And here's my head. I'm excited for this single colored jersey card. Cost me 30 bucks. Alright. Josh Freeman, Lee Evans. Oh, great. Most hated player. Fucking Vince Young. So excited if you can't tell. Number to 299. Great. That was awesome. And then I bought this because it's super cheap. And I guess you can get a Strasburg in here. It's only 12 bucks for 10 packs. So I definitely don't mind buying this stuff. Oh, got my first. I guess the first pack was the jersey. It was Mike Leake. USA jersey, which is not too bad. And then a Soto, that's a silver common. Hamilton, blue uncommon. Mr. Woods, another Hamilton, another silver common, James McDonald rookie, Jason Mott, rookie. Papelbon, gold rare. If anybody needs any of these, let me know. I have no problem trading for a few just base skinners and stuff to finish out my set. Cliff Lee, silver common. Dude's tearing it up right now. Oh, another Cliff Lee, blue uncommon. It's 2 back-to-backs I've got. And Mr. Pullholes himself. This is a good one, Champions. Carlos Quentin, silver common. Sorry, I know this is pretty boring. Let's speed this up. Cole Hamels, Emerald Super Rare. Jimmy Rollins, silver common. I wonder if you guys can hear my girlfriend outside talking to her sister. If you can, I apologize. Because I hate hearing it, so I know you guys will. Oh, another Carlos Quentin, blue uncommon. So I've got trip dupes, I guess. And that's it. Also got a few things to show you. If anybody's interested in any of these to trade, it's just a Shane Victorino Ginter back card. A Koji Uhara, I guess, I don't know how to say it. Auto. Just another Ramirez patch. Not patch, just jersey. And Adam Land auto. Have a Celestial Stars Fielder. And the black border rookie card of Chris Johnson. So all these are for trade. Or sell, obviously. I've got a lot that I need for my set. My Ginter set. So if you guys have any base Ginter, I would love to have them. And I'm also in a box break with Ty Durden coming up. Seems like a cool dude. It's my first box break, so I'm pretty excited for that. And I guess that's it. Just message me if you're interested in any of this. See you guys.